For fragile hair that's prone to breakage, give hair the quick fix it needs. Total Results Repair Break Fix is my miracle rescue product because it repairs hair from the inside out. The formula is revolutionary. It just glides onto hair without adding weight. For a powerful repair shot, apply to towel-dried hair, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. Comb through for even distribution and style as usual. For a secret miracle tip, I want to show you how to use Break Fix to prevent against stress from styling. To target damage-prone areas, glide the treatment onto mid-lengths and ends to strengthen strands before styling. With your fingertips, distribute it on the fine hair along the hairline to protect against breaks. Using a flat brush, smooth hair back and away from the face. Gather hair into a loose twist and secure. Now that's hairstyle for strength.